We continue from number 51 question. We have, what is the minimum value of, so whenever you're asked minimum value, look for what you're going to put here that will be equal to 0, which is when x is, that is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. 0 square is 0. So we are left with this. So this is 0 plus times minus is minus 9. So the answer is minus 9. Number 52. Solve the inequality. The first one is 2x plus 5 greater than 1. And the second one is x minus 4 less than 1. Let's start with this. So collecting like terms, we have 2x greater than 1 plus go here is minus 5. 2x greater than 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Then divide both sides by 2. We are going to get x is greater than minus 2. Then here is x less than 1 plus 4, x less than 5. So if you want to combine them together, you start with the smaller number. Between minus 2 and 5, minus 2 is smaller. So minus 2, instead of greater than, you change it to less than x, then less than 5. This is combined inequality. 53. If A1 is like the first term there, is 14, and A7, which is the last term, find A4. So there's a formula that last term is equals to A plus bracket n minus 1D in your arithmetic progression. The last term, which is A7, which is 2, we have 2 is equals to A is the A1, the first term, which is 14, plus, remember that this is the last term, which is at the 7th term. So our n is 7. 7 minus 1. D is the common difference. We need to get it. So we have 2 when plus 14 comes here is minus 14 is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 times D is 6D. 2 minus 14 is minus 12 is equals to 6D. Dividing both sides by 6, our D is minus 2. They ask us find A4. So for us to find A4 is the 4th term. So using this formula, our A is, we are going to use A plus bracket n minus 1D. So our A is the first term, which is 14, plus our n is the 4th term, which is 4, minus 1, times the common difference is minus 2, which is 14. Then when you have this, we have 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So our answer will be 8. Let's go to the next one. The next question we have there is number 54. We go to number 54. So they mentioned something about gradient. We are given y is equal to kx squared plus 3x minus 2. We are given at x equals to 1 if the gradient is 1. So this is differentiation. We have to differentiate, find the dy over the x. So differentiating this, the power here times anything here. So 2 times k is 2k x. When you use this power to multiply any coefficient here, you subtract by 1. So this is like 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then plus differentiate this, which is 3. Then when you differentiate a constant, it is 0. Then going to here, we are told that this dy over the x is called the gradient or the slope. We are told that is equal to 10. So this is 2kx plus 3 is equal to 10. And we are given the value of x as 1. Let's substitute. We are given x as 1. So we have 2k bracket 1 plus 3 is equal to 10. K times 1 is k, times 2 is 2k, plus 3 is equal to 10. Collecting like terms, we have 2k is equal to 10 minus 3. 2k is equal to 7. Dividing both sides by 2, our k is 7 over 2. Then the last question, number 55. I gave in one of our solving that you can use this x squared minus sum of roots times x plus product of roots equal to 0, or you can write it as x squared minus a plus bx, depending on what you want to do. So we have x squared minus bracket, let's add the roots, 1 plus minus 5, then bracket x plus 1 times minus 5 equal to 0. X squared minus 1 plus minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 4 is plus 4. So we have plus 4x. Then we have 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 5 times plus is minus 5 equal to 0. And that should be the answer.